Easy to make a puff, shortcrust pastry recipe for any occasion. Step by step, ideal as a starter or snack with beer. Ingredients: ready rolled shortcrust puff pastry, 375 grams, 1 egg beaten for egg wash, 400 grams smoked bacon or ready cut diced pancetta, 100 grams hard cheese or ready grated, 1 large onion or spring onions, fresh parsley, dills, black ground pepper to taste. Take a ready rolled shortcrust puff pastry dough from the refrigerator and leave at room temperature for 15 minutes. Remove packaging and unroll the dough on the baking paper. Prepare the filling. Cut smoked bacon in small square pieces or put ready-to-cut diced pancetta in a glass bowl. And mix with chopped onions or spring onions, grated cheese, parsley, dills optional, and add black ground pepper to taste. Cut the dough in squares and place a spoonful of the bacon and onion mixture and grated cheese onto each dough square. Fold the dough, start from one corner over the filing and pinch the edges to seal a crescent shape. Place the ready-made buns on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, cover with a kitchen towel, let them rise for 20 minutes. Prepare egg wash and preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or fan oven to 200 degrees Celsius or gas oven at Mark 7. Brush the risen buns with beaten egg wash and bake them for 15 to 25 minutes until your buns are golden brown and cooked through. Remove them from the oven and let your buns cool before serving. Do not reheat. Enjoy your buns. This recipe is based on Latvian bacon buns recipe with a small twist.